airport. Yeah, Hong Kong seems pretty cool so far. I got my battery pack taken off me in Beijing, which kind of sucked. But yeah, now I'm just waiting for my family's flight to get in, and then we're gonna go explore Hong Kong. Perks of having younger siblings, eh, Spence? Yeah. Oi, oi, oi! Look at, oi! Look! Oh no! So Keegan crashed into the trolley, made me drop my tea set. It dismounted bad.
Here's the tea set.
That's not even for me, it's for Tina. Just arrived at our hotel. It is insane. This is one of the most beautiful hotels I've ever seen. What do you think?
It's a whole frog with it's got all the bones in it.
Is that good, Dad?
What is, like, I can't even see a frog.
Can you chew the bones?
I can't see the...
You put your leftover bones in there.
Tasty?
So good. It's yummy. It's so good.
Is it?
It's like...
You like it?
in the background.
I don't know.
It's sort of like a fishy flavoured chicken.
Yeah.
Got some really legit. I'm gonna go here. Back here. This morning we just sorted out the train system, and now we're at the electronics market where you get the highest quality electronics in Hong Kong. And it's humid as heck, real hot. So we're at Mr. Wong's restaurant here in Hong Kong, and 100% recommend if you're in Hong Kong. It's just like a place where you can get feed for uni students, and just saw a massive rat just run across the bite. But Mr. Wong is a great guy, he's so funny, and he just keeps bringing out food. Like we didn't ask for this, he just kept bringing it. It was actually hilarious.
Great atmosphere, great food, endless beer.
Oh, is that it there? Alright, so it's official. You've not been to a pet store until you've been to a pet store in Hong Kong. I've seen every type of lizard, bird, fish, insect,
Haven't seen me
bat.
bats yet.
It's ridiculous. Taking a time lapse, living the dream. This place is pretty sick. I reckon it's got a cooler skyline than the Shanghai Tower. But yeah, it's definitely one of my favourite. But man, I'd love to live here and just hit some of these buildings. It'd be such a good time. I'm so jealous of anyone that lives here. I'm definitely coming back here for sure. Hey Dad, how does it feel to be the only one with silver hair? Honourable. Good answer. It's Mum and Dad's 23rd anniversary. What do you have to say?
It's awesome to be here in such a special place with such a whole family on the top of the world looking down on a very lively city. What flavour is it?
So good. Is that good? It's the apple and mint.
This is Keegan and I's $40 drink. So it's the end of the trip. Saying goodbye to the family. They're flying back to New Zealand. I'm flying back to Melbourne. What are they doing? Stop throwing the drink bottle.
No.
So family's trying to sort out their flights and stuff. So it's been great, but it's time to go home now. Casey's got a formal to go to. Spencer's got a soccer game. Poppy's got drink bottles to throw around. All right, stop throwing the drink bottle. All right, time to go. Time to leave.
It's annoying now.
Yeah. Bye, Poppy.
I've got myself a Hong Kong cold.
A what?
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong cold. All right, see you, Mum. Poppy, you can't take Coke through the border. Oh, our board's in half now. So this is the end of the Hong Kong journey.